In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use appointments on a GoDaddy website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, head to your profile area. This is where you can access the main settings and products connected to your account. From there, click on My Products so you can see the list of services and websites you currently have. Next, find the website you want to work on and select it. Make sure you choose the correct website before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Once you've selected the site, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to your pages and add new features. When the editor loads, look for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section to open the panel with all the available content blocks you can place on your site. Inside that panel, find the Scheduling category. This is the area that contains tools designed for booking and appointment-related features. After that, click Online Appointments. This will let you add an appointment booking section directly to your website, making it easier for visitors to schedule time with you online. At this stage, you'll be asked to choose a layout. Pick the layout that best matches the style and structure of your website. Don't worry too much if it's not perfect right away, because you can customize it afterward. Once the appointment section has been added, take some time to adjust the design and settings. Feel free to customize everything so it fits your brand and looks consistent with the rest of your site. For example, you may want to update the text, spacing, or visual style so the booking section feels like a natural part of the page. A clean and simple layout usually works best, especially for visitors who want to book quickly without confusion. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. This is the final step that makes your changes live on your website. If you don't publish, your appointment section won't be visible to visitors, so don't skip that part. And that's it. You've successfully added online appointments to your GoDaddy website. Once published, visitors can begin using that section based on the setup and layout you chose.